Hello everyone. So in today's video we are going to discuss how to configure a storage location in SAP MM. So storage location is nothing but a storage place or a place where we are storing the material. Like for different kinds of material we can store the items in different places. So in SAP MM we have to configure the storage location. It's the least of a organization label that we are dealing in SAP MM. So let's see how to configure a storage location. So here we need to go to SPRO, then SAP reference IMG, then here enterprise structure, then here definition, material management, here maintain storage location. So here you need to put your plant as your work area. So here we are selecting T210. So here the storage location is already configured, that we have copied the plant from one existing plant. From there it took already the existing storage location. If you want to change something, then you can select it over here. You can select all the entries, then you can delete it from here, and you can assign the new storage location from here. Go to new entries, that you can put T003 as your storage location, and description will be some hazardous materials. Okay, go to, it's already existing, to 004 and save it. So here a new storage location has been created. So this is how you can create a storage location in SAP MM. So the T code will be OX09. You can directly come to the storage location through the transaction code by putting this OX09 in the command field, or else you can come through the navigation pane that we have just seen in the video. So that's all for today. Bye bye and take care.